Tired of looking at junk email after junk email during review? Or maybe you'd like to be able to find all of those attorneys' emails quickly and set them aside for a privilege review. Wouldn't it be nice if you had an easy button? Well, good news, with Ricoh eDiscovery On Demand, you have an easy button. Using domain filtering in Ricoh eDiscovery On Demand, with the click of a button, you can instantly remove junk emails and find all the attorney's privileged emails. Hours of work the hard way can be done in under 90 seconds. This widget contains all email domains in the email data. You can easily select the domain by checking the box next to the domain and either filtering data out with this minus button to exclude emails with those domains, or in the case of looking for law firm domains, you can filter for those domains and use the bulk tagging option to mark these potentially privileged and exclude them from review. Then you can do a separate privilege review with all of the documents marked potentially privileged. All of these functions allow you to quickly segregate documents out of the review and focus on the documents that need review immediately.